I'm Neil McEvoy, the Plaid Assembly candidate for Cardiff West, and I've just had lunch in City Road after the comments made by the UKIP candidate. I thought I'd come down, take a look, meet a few people, have some conversations, and that's what I've done today. And you know, I'm in an area with great cultural wealth. So many people, so many different places. Just had a wonderful lunch in the first Omani restaurant in Europe. It's in Cardiff. You know, great place to eat. Recommend it. And you know, I come here, and what I think is, you know, look at City Road, and places like this should be celebrated, and they should get investments. You know, this should be a niche place as a gateway into Cardiff. And similarly, in the west of the city, you've got Cardiff Road East. You know, amazing variety of cuisine there, and these places should be celebrated, invested in, and made to look a whole lot better. I'll tell you what, if Mr. Bennett is watching, then I invite him to come with me to City Road to get out of his insular UK nationalist bubble and embrace different people, different cultures, and maybe learn a thing or two as well. So there we go, Mr. Bennett. I'll even buy you lunch, okay? Neil McEvoy, Plaid Cymru, diolch yn fawr, thank you very much.